Hakamir arphawai tarik Naiwieng hakapor shiteng synia. Ki Pulit na Zikzak Police Station kila pynap shrip Haba kila yo jingtip bakidon ki briew na Bangladesh ki bala rung tu syari India. Ki Pulit haka jingialam Sub-Inspector Diganta Hajong kila pynap shrip ha surokbah State Highway 12 ha shnong Zikzak South West Garo Hills. Tang hadien khyndiat por lawan iaid kawe kakali Bolero Pik-up AS 34C 0613 balanya adu Mahammud Nur Hussain South Post Namkarta ubana ka shnong Nandia South Salmara District Assam. Nakani kakali layo abat sangut ki briew na Bangladesh ki baladon ki kot ki sla thok kentup santli ki Adhaar Card arteli ki mobile phone Airtel Sim Card bat ki tiar kitar nari Bangladesh. Habala tokit benia la shem bakini ki Adhaar Card ki de ki bathok kidi ki briew ki de nari Bangladesh bat kila rung tu sha India na khaput bakmara South Garo Hills. Kitmu banit bela sha Kolkata lengba ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Ki kerteng jong kini ki san Ngut ki Bangladeshi kilong u Muhammad Jahangir Ali Arphuisnam, Muhammad Jaidul Islam Laipusnam, Muhammad Durul Ali Laipunyosnam, Muhammad Maruf Ali Khatkandaisnam, badu Muhammad Babu Sheikh Arphu Arsnam. USP South West Garo Hills Vikash Kumar ulayathu bayakini sangut ki briew na Bangladesh la penrung haka mukoduma ha Mahendraganj Police Station katkum ki kendon an ki bayadei berkajingrung tu jongki nongwei na ki wei pat kiri. Ula ongru ki Pulit kani ke distrik ki petngor miet sngi yaki khaput kari India banom ailat ki briew na Bangladesh banrung tu sha Meghalaya. Ula kerpat yaki pat ba ban ai ki jingkershan bat jingarap yaki Pulit ban pendap ya kani ka kamram bakrau nak banta kajela bat karihi baro kawe.
Yesterday night at around 11:42 p.m. Near Zikzak petrol post, one Bolero Pik-up was intercepted bearing registration number AS 34C 0613. The vehicle was being driven by one Mahammud Nur Hussain, who is a resident of South Salmara district, Mankacha, Assam. The Bolero Pik-up was coming from Gopinath Kila and it was going towards Assam. On verification, it was found that 5 occupants were there who were suspected to be Bangladeshi nationals. Accordingly, the vehicle, driver and the suspected persons were brought to Zikzak PP for verifications. And in their possession, 5 number of Indian Adhaar cards, 2 mobile phones, one SIM card of India Airtel and other made in Bangladesh products were recovered. Those persons informed that they are Bangladeshi nationals and they were planning to go to West Bengal for labor work. It is to be informed that necessary action in this has been taken and a case under BNS for forgery and under Foreigners Act has been registered and investigation is on in this case. I'd like to inform that in the last 3 months, total 27 Bangladeshi nationals have been apprehended in the district